Your iPhone will automatically record audio from most apps while screen recording, but there's also a way to screen record with your microphone on, so your own voice will be captured in your screen recordings. To screen record with the microphone on, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center, and then look for the screen recording button. Tapping the button will start a standard screen recording, but you can also tap and hold to open up more settings, including the option on the bottom to turn on your microphone. You'll also see this app switcher in the middle. These are apps that have the option to receive a live feed from your screen, usually for streaming purposes. That's why when I select an app, it shows the option to Start Broadcast. If you're simply trying to do a screen recording with sound, you don't need to touch any of this. Just keep the Photos app selected and your screen recording will be saved in your Photos app. Start your recording, do your thing, and once you're all done, you can stop it by tapping the red indicator on the top of your screen. Your screen recording goes automatically in the Photos app, where you can edit it or share it to other devices. And if your control center is missing the screen recording button, you can add it by tapping the plus icon on the top left corner, and then from the bottom choosing Add a Control. There's a ton of controls you can add, and screen recording should be one of the first options you'll see. You can resize and reposition the controls, and don't forget that the control center has multiple pages, so you can organize all your controls to the page of your choice. Also, a couple of callouts. Internal audio is automatically recorded, but some apps will block it. Streaming services, some music apps, and FaceTime, for example, won't let you record audio. If your microphone button is grayed out, it could be because it's used by another app. Make sure other apps aren't actively using the microphone, and also make sure you're not in screen mirror mode or in a focus mode. And that's how you screen record with the microphone on. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and check out my iOS playlist for more quick guides like this.